This is an Apple Magic Keyboard, and I had a sticky spacebar key and a sticky shift key and needed to fix it. This is what you can do. Sorry, I forgot to mention I am handyman for the Everyman, and what's happened is that I think my wife sometimes eats food or something when she's using the keyboard, or has moisturizer on her fingers. Whatever it is, some things got stuck inside the keyboard. Anyway, what you can do is, if you don't have isopropyl alcohol around, you can just get lens cleaner, which is actually isopropyl alcohol, which I have a lot of because every time we buy glasses, we get one of these given to us. And so you get the lint-free cloth from one of the glasses, spray a bit of the isopropyl alcohol onto the cloth, and then give it a good wipe all around. And for the keyboard, for the spacebar, that's what I did. And then what you need to do, you see the gap there. I suggest that you can use your fingernail if you have any. Use your fingernail and just one piece of the cloth, because otherwise it's too thick, and the bit with a bit of alcohol in there, and then just put your fingernail into that gap and then just clean all around it. So that side, this side, and this side. Just take my word for it, a little bit of gunk did come out earlier, and then the keys kind of is now free to move. And then the caps lock key was also having some issues. So I've managed to go around it with my fingernails, and then everything seems to be working really well now. Also, while I was at it, I gave it all a bit of a clean because there's a lot of gunk in between as well. I forgot to mention, before you start this process, please remember to turn off the switch, which was here, so that you don't cause some problems with the electronics. And then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes after you've been mucking around, putting alcohol all over your keyboard. Okay, and then you can turn it back on after 10-15 minutes. And I'm just having a good time kind of cleaning this guy. This bit I feel like just spraying onto there. That should be safe. I wouldn't suggest that you spray onto the front of the keyboard. It's probably a dumb idea. Spraying on the back's probably okay. I don't know how this guy became so dirty. Anyway, so hopefully that's helpful for someone, because I was freaking out thinking that this keyboard had died. And as you know, with Apple products, they're not exactly the cheapest things to fix, and they're not easy to fix often, because you can't just like pry off the keycap easily like you would with a mechanical keyboard. So thank God this worked. Oh, and now this is sticky again. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me just try that. I think it's a little bit hit and miss. There might be more gunk in there, so just going to go around with it. And just make sure that all the gunk has come out. Seems to be working pretty well at the moment, and I don't want to jinx it, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. All right, thanks everyone for watching, and see you at the next video.